What up, y'all? I just realized I didn't actually talk about getting this trans redone. If you have been around for a minute, you know the trans was down for a while. What it was, which let me pop this open for y'all real quick. But what it was, one of the transmission cooler lines going into the radiator, the quick disconnect, the clip was bad on it, so the line popped out. Alright, so this is the top one. This one was good. This one going all the way to the bottom, which is this right here. It goes into the radiator, which radiator is slanted, so it's like it's down under that radiator hose, like directly under it. But that line came loose. Line came out, fluid sprayed out, ended up burning up third gear and fourth gear. So fourth gear was gone from day one. Third, I drove it a few more times, just kind of sliding around to see how it would act. But third eventually burnt up. So I got it back that's 2 weeks ago. Got the trans rebuilt. Took forever to find somebody to actually do this. So a lot of transmission shops would not mess with a Corvette. Which was crazy. But yeah, ended up being a little under $2,600. But trans is officially redone or rebuilt. I ended up finding a guy through the Corvette club out here, so they got me in touch with somebody that could do it. But yeah, so got it back. I had it for about 2 weeks, and shifts smooth. So if y'all can see that, I done put 1,700 miles on it since I got it back. So 1,700 miles, and within like 2 weeks. So I mean, drove it around a bunch out here. Drove it from here to Houston back. So yeah, I would say the guy did a good job. So Vet is back. If you got a C5 and you end up needing a transmission rebuilt, most likely you're looking at about $2,500. The guy before this that was supposed to do it, he was gonna charge me $3,000, but he ended up so backed up he never had time for me to actually bring it. So that's when I found this other guy. But yeah, $2,500 is about what you're looking at. So check your lines, don't leak fluid, and if you do, just be prepared to come out of pocket for a good little bit. But that's it for this one. Just a little short thing, not part of the Monday, Wednesday, Friday normal schedule, but just some stuff y'all should know. And these gonna be some dome decals, but whole different thing. That's some other stuff, not Corvette related. But yeah, so I'll check y'all in the next one.